Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today I received my Curlbox. So if you all want to see what is in the September 2019 Curlbox, then please keep watching. So getting started, I just received my Curlbox today, and I literally just cut it with my scissors. So I haven't even opened this box at all. I don't know what's in it. I haven't peeked, at videos or anything. So usually they send the Curlbox off, I want to say the 12th or the 15th of the month. And I'm just not receiving it. So this is how it looks in the box. And off the rip, it is going to be a QP product in this box. So they didn't put this in the actual Curlbox. I guess it's too large or it wouldn't fit in the box. So this is the QP olive oil and mango butter glaze. It says conditioning shining gel. So eventually in this video, I'll get to it. So yeah. So now I'm just gonna take this out of the box. And every now and then when I receive Curlbox, the Curlbox, sometimes the products aren't actually in the Curlbox because they're too large or it just won't fit in there. So this is probably, I want to say, like the second time that has happened with products. And to be honest, I didn't even know what the theme was for this month. So starting off, when I open my box, this is how it looks in case you didn't know. The theme for this month is heavy season. And this is the card that is inside of it. And if you've seen my thumbnail and you know what the theme is, and you know what it looks like, but this is actually a little different than my card. So this is how the inside of the card looks. And inside it says OG style requires OG classics. So for our heavy fashion box, we're equipping you with Elasta QP favorites. These professional styling goodies are rich in mango butter and olive oil, along with growth boosters like biotin and vitamin E. Here are a few ways to go from a lightweight to heavy hitter in the curl department. That's cute. I like reading those. It's so cute to me. Oh, these are some large products. I'm gonna get some use out of these. So with the letter from the editor, I keep messing up my line trying to do that, y'all. Sorry. But it says, establish a look. Have you thought about your signature look? Though you may be a style chameleon, it's always a good idea to figure out 2 to 3 hairstyles that look good on you regardless of the trends. Maintaining those styles is simply a matter of having strong strands, nourishing your curls with mango butter leave-in conditioner. What? I'm confused. Hold up. They just started off with leave-in conditioner. Like, no shampoo this time. Disregard how I read that, because I read it ugly as crap. But no shampoo. So apparently, off the rip, we're starting off. What? Where is it? Tripping. Yeah, I'm actually glad it's not a shampoo in here because I'm sick of having to wash my hair with some of these shampoos. I'm trying to go back to my old goodies. So yeah. So starting off, it says, nourish your curls with mango butter leave-in conditioner, a luscious cream / styler for dry textures, and follow up with the application of Design Foam, which is a lightweight mousse that's perfect for cocktailing. So this is the leave-in conditioner. This is a very large container. And I'm gonna go and open this up and give it a sniff. So this is how it looks on the inside. It's like a yellowish color. It is pretty thick, but it's not so thick that it won't, pour out the bottle. It's actually a medium like thickness, I guess. It smells really good. For some reason, I think it smells like banana cream, but I mean, it doesn't smell mango-ish to me. It does smell like mango, but it smells more like banana than mango to me. So, and the scent is really light, so it's not overpowering, but it will give your hair that really good smell. So when you're walking through the office or wherever you are, people be like, "Oh, your hair smells good and clean and fresh and fruity. You smell like a tropical rainforest." So, yeah. So also it talked about the olive oil and mango butter design foam, which says you can cocktail it with that product. So when they say cocktail, if you didn't know, it just means you can use both at the same time. You can apply your leave-in and also go behind it with the foam. And they're probably saying cocktailing it because most people are afraid of having like a white residue on their hair after using too many products. And apparently if they said it's fine with cocktailing, that means this will not leave a white residue, which we will test sometime this week because it's time for me to wash my hair. So this is what that container looks like. And it would be hard for me to pick that up on camera anyways because it is a clear bottle, so I'm not even gonna try that. It just smells like foam with a hint of something in it, and I'm guessing it's the mango fragrance. So yeah, moving along. Revamp your protective styles. Don't do away with your protective style until you've got enough mileage out of it. Turn long braids into a bob with rubber band ends. Unravel your crochet twists for beautiful waves. The most important part of these styles is your natural hair. Keep it moisturized with mango butter, moisturizing cream, a daily hydrator infused with mango, coconut, olive, and avocado oils. And like I said, I'm so sorry y'all for how I'm reading this. I'm just kind of excited that the box came. So yeah, it said, I gotta find it, mango butter moisturizing cream. This is how it looks. It's kind of it's in a similar jar as the leave-in, except it's actually smaller. So yeah, and opening it. Okay, this is definitely thick. She is thick. So yeah, and she smells more mango-y than the last one. So this has more of a mango smell to it. I needed this. I needed this box. So lastly, it says go slick. Sleek styles are always sleek styles are always in style, so we've included 2 products to help you smooth and slay at any length. Glaze Conditioning Shine Gel is a vitamin-rich pomade that works wonders to control edges along with Feels Like Silk, and that's the name of the other product. A professional styling gel that helps you create defined waves, perfect ponytails, and other styles that need maximum hold. And y'all, this is the product that was not in the box. This is the Conditioning Shine Gel, and I've actually used this so many times. I probably don't have this one per se, but QP always has these conditioning gels. I'm looking because I'm trying to see if I can see where mine is, if I can see it from here, because I've used it. I've recently used it, like it was literally like yesterday when I used it. So probably in the bathroom, so it's not in here. But if you've never tried them, it is a gel. I'm not gonna be able to get on camera. It is a clear gel, and it has the texture of any other edge control that you've ever used. It's thick, kind of like, I can't remember what it's called, but you know that gel that people like to use when they braid? Is the exact same consistency as that is in that yellow container. If I can remember the name, which I'm probably not before this video is over, it has the exact same consistency as that stuff. So this would be great for braiding and styling and just getting the hair in place. Now I will say from experience that this has enough hold in the beginning, but I feel like this gel always disintegrates and turns into oil, if you get what I mean. It's like any other edge control. After a while it doesn't hold anymore, it just turns into grease. This does the same thing. So I haven't tried this one per se, but that's the experience I've had with the other QP ones like this in the past, if this isn't the same one that I've recently used. So yeah. Also, the last product they talked about was the Feels Like Silk, and this is a liquid styling gel. And it adds moisture, so yeah. This is how that looks. I'm actually not sure about this. I've never seen this before in my life. It smells like the salon. This It smells like childhood, and I can't stop smelling it because it reminds me of when you walk into a salon and they have all the perms and, you know, conditioners and everything. This smells just like when you walk into a hair salon. Y'all. It really does. But I actually don't know what to do with this. I will figure something out. You know what? I think I have a style in mind, so whenever I do get to use these products, I will film it and I will make sure that I show you what I do with this product, because I do have an ideal in mind that I've been wanting to try out. So yeah. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video. It was just for me to unbox my September Curlbox products. And like I said, the theme of this box was heavy fashion. So it will be in my thumbnail in case you want to see it. Or you can just go on their Instagram page, which is the Curlbox Instagram page. So yeah, like always, I will leave all the details on these products and what was found inside of the box in the description box below. I'm getting tongue-tied. So if you have any more questions that I did not answer in this video or in the description box, please feel free to leave a comment and I will try to get to it and answer your question as best as I can, as soon as I can. So yeah, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next one. So see ya.